Coming up in DemoCast Media, I'm going to show you how to share your screen using Skype. G'day, Paul from DemoCast Media, helping you get the picture and make an impact using visual communication. On this channel, I show you how to use screen capture tools to get better results with your training, communication, and teamwork. If that sounds like you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So I'm going to show you how you can initiate a screen share session using Skype, which is something that a lot of people have. Now, it does have its disadvantages, but it is an easy way to get started with screen share. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this tutorial. Let's get into it. Firstly, go to your contacts to find the person that you wish to connect with and click one of these icons to start a video or a voice call. To initiate the screen share, click this symbol to reveal the menu, and you'll see screen share at the very top. Click here when you're ready to start the screen share. You'll know that it's working when you see a yellow rectangle on your desktop or this icon right here. I find I use it a lot for presentations or running training, or if you're using that for a software demo, for instance, or just explaining and running through a document. Screen share is the way to go. There are two ways you can stop sharing the screen. You can click here, or this icon if Skype is minimized. So that's how you share your screen using Skype, and as you saw in that tutorial, it is very easy to set up, which is the main advantage. Secondly, because Skype has been around for such a long time and it's free, I think most people will have an account lying around somewhere. So I think this method works well if you're just doing, say, a coaching call of some kind, or just a casual social chat. I think in those instances, it works really well. There are a few downsides to be aware of when you're working more in a formal business environment. For starters, the other person or parties has to have a Skype account for this to work. Now, this becomes more problematic as well if their firewall settings prevent them from even having any type of Skype account. So you will have to defer to something like Zoom or Join Me to get past that. Another thing which could become a pain point, the latest version of Skype as of this recording does not let you just share a window, you can only share the entire desktop area, which could be a bit of a pain if you just want your audience to see the document rather than something else that you're doing on the screen. So if you want to get around that, download the classic version of Skype, which still has that functionality. But barring those few things, if you're just using it for a casual conversation or a coaching call, which another person may just have a regular account, then fine, by all means, use Skype. It will get the job done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get more content just like this. Remember, I am here to help you experience more clarity, because clarity is power, and that's what I want for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.